Bula Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, to the Managing Director of Bula VIP Lounge, Mr. Melvin Pratap, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It actually gives me great pleasure to be here this afternoon to join everybody to be part of Melvin's achievement in officially launching the Bula VIP Lounge. Over the last few weeks, I think we've seen a number of businesses opening around the country and simply indicating investor confidence, and as our economy makes progress. Today we're actually gathered to launch another venture demonstrating the vigor of an enterprising young gentleman. From what I understand, Melvin, your location and your establishment in this bustling location in Lodala Beach is actually fitting, and I'm sure the Bula VIP Lounge will be an added establishment for the community of Lodala Beach to actually try out. I'm told this is Melvin's third restaurant, with a newly established restaurant. A total of about 30-odd Fijians, ladies and gentlemen, are employed at the Bula VIP Lounge. So Melvin, your aspiration and your business aspiration means a source of employment for a lot of young Fijians who want to be part of our vibrant culinary industry. Ladies and gentlemen, like many other businesses built on commitment, a business as young as the Bula VIP Lounge needs to have a good support system. So it would be amiss of me if I did not mention Melvin's family and friends who have been a source of inspiration to him and have encouraged this young gentleman to become a job creator within our society. On top of that, we cannot forget the indirect benefits that the new establishment actually has on our micro small business environment, and supporting and supplying food and essential items to Melvin's business, whether it's supplying eggs or even delivering trucks. These are actually the supporting industries, ladies and gentlemen, the job creators which create ripple effect into the Fijian economy and creates more opportunities to support people's livelihoods. Just yesterday, we actually gave out 2 grants totaling a sum of about $60,000 to young entrepreneurs. One was Mr. Christopher Vanualailai and also Mr. Dirish Kumar, who we actually saw great potential in. And it was wonderful to see them, and they're excited. We ordered them, as I said, we awarded them about $60,000, about $30,000 each in terms of a grant to actually support them. So simply sending a clear message to young entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen, to continue turning to good use or making good use of their talents. We have a very talented young population who are excited about getting into business and doing business, and they're actually turning their dreams and aspirations into reality, and also in terms of formal education, they're actually seizing the opportunities. One thing we must remember, ladies and gentlemen, the pandemic has taught us to adapt to new situations. So I want to commend Mr. Pratap and the team also at Bula VIP Lounge in terms of creating an experience to be explored and enjoyed by everybody. So I want to wish you well and wish you all the success in your business. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for attending. And God bless you and your entire staff and your family. Thank you very much. Vinawalewu.